Na riu tuthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia iharo-ini. Athaki a guku bururi-ini Masoud Juma, Teddy Akumu na Austin Othiambo aria mathakaga gabira ga kuriho kirabu-ini kia Nejme SC bururi-ini wa Lebanon ni marikitie gũcooka na mũciĩ magĩthara bara irathie na mbere igĩkuruhania mabũrũri matiganĩte Rũraya na Arabu-ini. Athaki aya riu mari mũciĩ ndeto iria mekĩrĩte kĩeha arĩ kwehererwo na gũtigwo ni coach wao Engin Firat. Coach Firat uria wahurũkire kĩharo-ini kia ndege kia bururi-ini wa Turkey atiganite na mwena wa Ghana thabarĩ-inĩ yao oro mũndũ kũhũndũka na mũciĩ. Mbĩtĩka cia NBA kũrũgamio Lebanon. Firat arahurũkirio ira kũrũmĩrĩra mĩtaratara ya ndini ya Ithĩramu.
He called me every time. He was like a father. He support me because he believe in my ability. He wants to see me playing and to be on top. He called me, and even before his death, I was with him in the airport. And little didn't we know that it was the last moment with him, you know. And for me, I can say that since I know him, he's my football father, you know, because he told me so many things. Even going to Lebanon.
Some of the moves let me make, I play role. Kama kwenda Iran, I play role. Hata hii Lebanon pia kuna tu alicheza role yake. So mi nilimrespect sana na aliplay part big sana kwa football yangu na pia tu kilife. Si hata mambo tu ya football, pia kilife tu ni mtu anaweza kuongelesha.
Kirafu kia